Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the captivating world of nail art. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of sophistication and glamour, with 6 black nails with glitter designs, each infused with the dazzling allure of glitter. From edgy gothic vibes to celestial-inspired elegance, these designs promise to elevate your manicure game to new heights. Join us as we explore the intricate details and techniques behind each stunning creation, and discover how you can unleash your inner diva with these captivating black nails adorned with glitter. Get ready to sparkle and shine as we embark on this enchanting journey of creativity and style. Dazzling designs to elevate your manicure game. 1. Midnight Magic. Start with a sleek black base coat and add a sprinkle of fine silver glitter near the cuticle area, gradually fading into the darkness towards the tips. This design resembles a starry night sky, invoking a sense of enchantment and allure. 2. Gothic Glamour. Embrace the darkness with jet black nails coated in chunky holographic glitter. This dramatic look combines edge with sophistication, making a bold statement that commands admiration. 3. Silver Linings. For a chic and modern twist, paint your nails black and accentuate them with a single diagonal stripe of silver glitter along one side. This minimalist design adds a touch of glamour without overwhelming the dark base color. 4. Galactic Goddess. Create a mesmerizing galaxy-inspired manicure by blending black polish with iridescent glitter in shades of blue, purple, and pink. Swirl the glitter across the nails to mimic the cosmic swirls of distant galaxies, resulting in a celestial masterpiece. 5. Sultry Sparkle. Opt for a sultry yet sophisticated look by adorning your black nails with a gradient of red and gold glitter. Concentrate the glitter near the tips and gradually fade it towards the cuticles for a fiery ombre effect that ignites passion and allure. 6. Twilight Twinkle. Achieve an ethereal vibe by coating your black nails with a fine dusting of silver glitter. This understated yet glamorous design resembles the shimmer of moonlight on a dark, mysterious night, evoking a sense of romance and intrigue. As we conclude this journey of 6 black nails with glitter designs through the realm of black nails with glitter designs, we hope you're feeling inspired to unleash your creativity and experiment with these stunning manicure ideas. Whether you're drawn to the mystical allure of midnight magic or the fiery passion of sultry sparkle, there's a design to suit every mood and occasion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nail art inspiration. And let us know in the comments which design was your favorite, and if you'll be trying it out yourself. Until next time, keep sparkling and shining, because with the right manicure, you can conquer the world, one glittery nail at a time.